Check him out on social media and tell us what you think. Between Nicki cussing out SZA and the King's arrival in Mobay, there was a lot going on. Here's the Intense 5.
Number 5.
Dexter. That new song is going to cause you problems, that's all I'm saying. Just remember the pool incident, that is all.
Number 4.
Wireless Fest was lit, even though Burna Boy didn't think a lot of people were there. 3 days of great entertainment, Drake was in his element, and Cartel brought out popcorn. It can't get any better than that.
3.
And while Drake basks in that glory, Kendrick just got nominated for 4 Emmys for his Super Bowl performance. Congratulations.
Number 2.
Nicki just across left, right, and center. This time she's going at SZA. I don't even know if the beef is validated, but Lord man, just kumbaya and drop a track together, no? And finally holding the
Number 1
spot this week, Minions Step Aside because the king has arrived. Footage shows dancehall artist Cartel arriving in Montego Bay. Visitors to the island were asked to move out the way so he could pass as a king. That is it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG as usual for the latest in entertainment. Up next, Tifa gets up close and personal with Richie. We're soon forward.